So this is the 4-hour chart for TAO. Also, we have on this chart 5 waves up from the April low. And then after this 5-wave move up, we had a nice pullback into support. But unfortunately, and that's something that many other coins did as well, the bounce ended as a 3-wave move. So I'm tracking this as a WXY structure. And then the Y wave is an ABC structure. So I think it's likely that we end in this area, or at least enter this area again. 256 to 289 is Fibonacci support. It is technically possible that a meaningful low formed here in June, but the rally afterwards ended as 3 waves, and then I really haven't seen anything convincingly bullish from the last lows. And I've added here to the chart this wedge pattern, maybe an expanding wedge. I need to see a break above the upper boundary line here for an indication that we've bottomed. Until then, I think it's just kind of bleeding towards $289. That's still support. And because the market formed a lower high here, we might go slightly below the wave W low. So the 100% extension is here at $273. I leave that on the chart. I have to say though, because this is a 5-wave move up, and we have a corrective pullback, a corrective rally, and this looks like a mess, this decline. A triangle is possible. Yeah, it's possible that some kind of a triangle is forming here, but for a triangle, I need more evidence. So this is not enough to call it a triangle. If we now get a lower high, then we can add a trend line, and maybe then will be a higher low, and then maybe we get some kind of an upside breakout. Even though I have to say a wave 2 can't be a triangle, so I would then need to look at the overall context. For now, no low is confirmed. Support is between $215 and $289. And I would say at this point, it looks likely that we're going to visit the upper, maybe the upper section of this support zone once more. Specifically, 273 seems to be an ideal target there.